Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special treat for all you bookworms out there. We are diving into the classic short story Jimmy Valentine's by O. Henry. It is in the class 11 of WBBSC syllabus. In this video, I shall discuss two long notes from this chapter. These notes will be very helpful to the students. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel. Let's start our video. Question number 1. Mr. Ralph D. Spencer, the phoenix that arose from Jimmy Valentine's ashes. Quotation. Who is Ralph D. Spencer? What is phoenix? Why has the comparison been made? Answer. Ralph D. Spencer is the new name Jimmy assumed in order to successfully hide himself in Elmore. Phoenix is a bird associated with Greek mythology. A phoenix obtains a new life by arising from its own ashes. Ralph D. Spencer, the assumed identity of Jimmy Valentine, has been compared to the phoenix bird. Immediately after coming to Elmore and falling in love with Annabel Adams, the desire to lead an honest life arose in Jimmy. So he disguised himself as Ralph D. Spencer, opened a show business and started to live straight. This honest and decent Mr. Spencer was born out of the ashes or remains of Jimmy Valentine, the skillful safe burglar. Hence, the comparison has been made. Question number 2. What did Jimmy write to his old friend in St. Louis? Why did he write so? Answer. Jimmy wrote to his old friend Billy that he had quitted his earlier profession of burglary and had started to lead an honest life. He owned a shoe store in Elmore and was going to be married to Annabel Adams within 2 weeks from then. Jimmy wrote the letter insisting Billy to meet him at Sullivan's place the next Wednesday night at 9 o'clock. He wanted to gift Billy his old set of burglar's tools, which was the finest one in the East. As he had quitted the profession of burglary, it would be of no use to him. He also declared his plan of selling everything and setting in the West after marriage in order to be free from danger. That's all for today's video. If you follow my channel, if you subscribe my channel, you will get new content to support you. You will learn English very carefully. So, ending our video, I want to say again, please subscribe my channel, please like my channel and share my channel. See you soon in the next video. Bye.